We have arrived at a new trading day, you could say. Holiday is behind us. So the market should get a little bit more volatile over the next few days, given that there is quite a lot of data that's coming out. Overall, what we're dealing with here on the 1 hour chart for Solana is still a structure that could resolve, in a bullish way. However, the move to the upside is not clearly impulsive. I mean, I'm zooming out here right now just to show you again. The thesis is currently that we have a meaningful low in place in June, potentially a B wave. If that's the case, then this move up was indeed a wave 1 into the July high. And well, the problem with that is it's a 3-wave move, right? It's not 5. It would have needed 1 more high here to give us a nice and clean 5-wave move up. We only have 3. Now, could I be wrong about it? Is it maybe 5? Yeah, for sure. But then this was further confirmed, actually, my thesis that this is a 3-wave move, with this move being a 3-wave move, an ABC structure. It might visually look like 5, but if you use Fibonacci guidelines, it tells you this move is as long as this move. So it's an ABC structure, a 3-wave move. Anyway, what I want to highlight here is we don't have a high confidence pattern, okay? And the momentum is kind of weak. So you have a lot of overlap in the structure here as well, as you can clearly see. Up, down, into the same price area. I mean, what does it mean? It means the bulls are just not strong enough to drive the price higher. The sellers are turning up at every corner, really. And so a direct move up is possible and is also likely, but only as long as we're holding above micro support. The micro support area is unchanged. It's basically, I can remove the upper sections. We don't need them anymore. It's just important to recognize that around $192 to $197 we have first micro support. This is where the bulls could show up and it drives the price higher in our C wave of the internal 3rd wave. Just remember, at best we're dealing here with a diagonal pattern, yeah? Not an impulse, which makes the entire structure to the upside super messy, overlapping and difficult to read. Because in this scenario, a larger B wave bottomed on the 19th or 20th of August. And this move up is now a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. But also here, the internal 3rd wave should be an ABC structure. And we could currently be working on the B wave. But if that's the case, and we're holding upper support, there's really only one more level to check, $192. Any break below it means the upper support is breaking. So that's what we're tracking. In addition to that, I need to see a break above the green line to indicate that a low of sorts is in, because until we break above this green line, technically we could still be in this local downtrend there. And the white scenario in which we are, it's the same count basically, but in the white scenario, the idea is that we're going to visit the lower support area once more, from where we could then attempt another upside breakout. As long as we're holding upper support, orange has a chance for a direct move up. But once we break below 192, we're likely going to visit the lower support area from where the bulls could attempt another reversal. So that's basically it for now. The idea is we are potentially still in this orange B-wave pullback, but I need to see a break above that signal line. And again, it's not a high confidence scenario. The move to the downside is not impulsive, which is kind of positive, but it could always be that white wave C here is an ending diagonal pattern, which is always difficult to read. So yeah, I think it should be clear. We've got upper support, we've got our micro resistance, and don't forget that also this yellow trend line here has been quite tough. Yeah, even most recently here, end of August, the bulls could not drive the price above it. That would also be an important objective for the bulls. Yeah, that's just a quick update.